Okay, good day, class. Starting today, this meeting, all discussions will now be video recorded. No? Okay, because imagine I will be discussing in six discussions, so in six sections, no? Then all balik-balik ra, then balik-balik ra ang ako i-discuss. So, let me start with chapter 5 first with this video. And then chapter 5 is about budgeting. So what's new here would only be the budget, no? The budget, the entering of the budget. And of course, under the adjusting entries at the end of month activities, the adjusting entries, there will be an addition to the accounts to be adjusted, which is the accrued salaries. When we say accrued salaries, these are the salaries that are supposed to be for the month but cannot be paid within the month because, for example, weekly si Ja, tapos ang end of the month is Wednesday. So kung weekly si Ja, end of the month is Wednesday, tapos sweldohan si Ja weekly, adto pa sila sa Friday. So the accrued salaries would be from Monday to Wednesday, no? Kay ang sweldo ni Ja sa Bernes pa man, so di pa man sa masweldohan, although dapat due na si Ja sa end of the month. So it's called, dapat ang expense for the month should be recorded na for the month. That's why accrued salaries would only be good for 3 days, keton from Monday to Wednesday. Although paid si Ja up to Friday. So I just will do actually kay weekly man for the entire 5 days, no, for the week. But for recording of the expense per books, what would be recorded for the month, for the for the previous month, will be the 3 days that is from Monday to Wednesday and from Thursday to Friday will be recorded for the current month. No? Ana siya og sa accrued salaries. Kaya pa man siya mahatag, pero na-record na as, dapat i-record na as expense. Okay, so same thing. We do step 1, 2, 3, and 4 until we ended up with saving us, no? Ito na to file with our name. Pagkatapos, step 5 is i-add ko na nato si Tasdar Corporation to the customers file. So, haman dyan si Ja, jari si Ja sa accounts. Oh, mouse is not working. So, customer, ato ra gihapon pare-pareho ra kung how to add. So, Tasler Corporation. And then, click add customer. So, na-add na si Tasler Corporation. So, ato to sa accounts ha, ato to sa accounts. And then, ang step number 6 is enter the following budget data. So, haman dyan si jaon ini sa computer info, and then you have to click the enter budgets, and you input all the budgets. So, we'll do it together. But of course, you don't have the files there. I mean the software there. But just listen. You can actually play back the video every time you wanted to learn, no? Go back if you want to have a clarification, you can go back with the video. So you have 580,000, then just tab, and then 350,000, tab, 3,500 for advertising expense, miscellaneous for 1,000, rent expense for 18, telephone expense for 12, heating and lighting expense for 7,000, salaries expense for 55,000, supplies expense for 7,500. Then you have the insurance expense, 3,500. Depreciation, equipment, warehouse equipment, 11,000. Depreciation expense, office equipment, 4,500. Interest income, 200. And the interest expense is 3,000. Okay. Uman yung budget. What is also budgeting, no? Uman, why do we need this one? Actually, andyan mga hearing gani class sa Congress sa nasa Senado about ano pa dyan, mga GAA, to General Appropriations Act, would be based on budgets. Kaya they will be setting themselves with certain amount for use for the year. So for the next year, of course, no? Let's say if the budget appropriation is only 100,000 and then you go beyond, and that is to be investigated. Why you go beyond, or kung under usage sub ng budget, it could still be investigated. Why? Kung naman waya maximize aton budget na allotted or allocated for them, no? Or for such expenditure, no? Ana siya. So dili ra sa budget ra lamang, but it is a tool of analyzing or limiting themselves into that amount or anticipating for themselves in the future or how much are they anticipating for income, and then this out of that income that they have let's say anticipated, they will be spending this much, so within the bounds ihapon of what they have earned. So that's the purpose of budgeting. And of course, do not forget to click OK or press enter. No, just click and just press enter para okay na to nimo budget. Just go back and review kung na-enter na ba. Okay, so na-enter na gud sa budgets. Okay, next is step 7. At enter the purchase order, purchase invoice, sales invoice, transaction. So, iba yun naman kamo dyan, on, no, hay patos sa musuyod, no, ari gihapon sa tasks, and then kung purchase order, ano pa ito isuyod, aton nag-start ang transaction and ordered, and then kung received na ang keyword or the first word for the transaction, it means that you're going to post it under purchase invoice. And then, kung mag-return, don't forget that the purchase invoice number should start with letter R. That stands for return. And the quantity value should be in negative. No? And then for sales transaction, so ari ko suyod sa sales invoice, and whatever are the sales transactions, no, will be encoded, will be input, and then if there is a return, again, it will start with sales invoice gihapon, and then it start again with letter R, and the quantity value is negative. So we have also here, ato sa budgets, nato tag-input ng budgets kanina, but you can view it here, no? And then you have the cash payments and then the cash receipts. Diyan si cash receipts sa taas, no? Okay, so the same ra. No? I-review lang ko balik. So sa cash receipts, kung dyan discount, ato cash receipts, amo na ton sa mahalinan, no? Sa sales. Kung mahalinan ka, so dapat debit to cash. Kung cash, then credit to sales, no? But then kung utang si Ja, so kibali nakakolekta na ko ng utang, debit to cash and credit to accounts receivable. So kanina na ko entry sa Ajo is if the transaction is a cash sale. So debit to cash and then credit to sales. Actually, dinhi kay perpetual inventory system ang tagamit, joy ato cost of service, cost of sales na additional entry, no? So kung kibalik ko nato i-view and later an ija entry, debit to cash, credit to cost of sales, and then credit also to sales or to accounts receivable. Okay. Ano? Cash and then AR. Pero kung cash sales, ang mga ton, debit to cash, credit to, again, debit to cash, credit to, credit to sales, and then another entry is debit to cost of sales and credit to merchandise inventory, no? Amo dyan si dyan sa ano many perpetual kibali duha ka entry kon cash sales. So pero kon utang ra na sales pareho ra gihapon, debit to accounts receivable, credit to sales, debit to cost of sales, and then credit to uh merchandise inventory. Kay kibalik kuhaan nato ang merchandise inventory. Okay. So kung cash payments amo adto nato ni click ato what if it is there is a discount for sales, so dapat aton credit would also have debit would have a sales discount, no? Could a discount. But for payments on purchases, ang discount would not be recorded to purchases discount kasi since perpetual inventory system tagamit, so the credit would be merchandise inventory. Aton sa una nato tagamit, no, aton sa chapter 3, I think, because 3 is about purchases and then chapter 4 is about sales. So this time kay budget man, pero but then tag-integrate na hinahinay na tanan, no? Ang tanan nato tag-discussan in chapter 1 up to chapter 4. And then, so granting you're done with step 7, and then step 8, aton enter the following cash receipt and cash payment transactions. So this time, aton una, taglahi-lahian cash payment, lahi sab and cash receipts transaction, but this time diri tag sagol-sagol na, no? Tag kuha na si Ja. Tag integrate na kibalita na to, consolidate na, so per date na ang ija recording. Okay. Mga din dyan ba dyan mga salaries paid for monthly rent, no? So, dapat, di ba, how are going to record? So, sige, kaya dyan mga dyan cash payments din nila. Lain, no? Something that is new. So, payment of rent. Sandali, I'll just have to review. So, receive, paid note, amaton sa note. Kung notes an ato tagbayaran, notes payable ato tagbayaran, dapat ang ato debit is debit to notes payable, debit to interest expense, and credit to notes payable, no? Kay notes payable man si Jan, no? Dili man ko notes receivable. So sa cash payment dinhi entry ra si Ja, pay to the order of kung sino man dyan, since waya, no, pwede ra blank. Waya may nakabutang dinhi kung hain si Ja. But our GL account, kay since cash payment man si Ja, automatic, the credit here is cash. So ang ato debit would be aton sa notes payable and the interest. Notes payable man. Dali class, ha? An interest expense. So wayay i-input din on sa pay to the order of, no? Waya may company involved. So kung waya not given in the problem, so wayay ato i-input in that field. Okay, what else? So let's say that is for March 7 transaction. So received, so atong payment na sab on payment of the accounts receivable. And the March 10 transaction says paid monthly rent. So amo ra gihapon since automatic credit si dyan ng sale, ng cash. So what are we going to debit is debit to rent expense. So sa GL account, hanapon na nato diri aton rent expense, no? Automatic na si dya i-enter kung rent expense sa diretsyo. Okay. Dali, plus, no? Rent expense. Dato si step 8. Waya, no? Pareho na gajud ba si Jaton sa monthly for advertising, kay waya may name of the company. Paid monthly telephone bill, paid for miscellaneous expense, and nakagana na lamang kung sa special journals na to gamito na like this, waya na imo, automatic na ija kung cash payment, automatic ang credit is cash, no? So what are you going to record here sa GL account? Under this would be the expense account, no? What is the account code for that account? Okay. Next, step 9, display the customer's list. Step 10, display the purchase order, purchase invoice, sales invoice registers for the month of March. Then step 11, display the journal entries, general journal, cash payment, etc., etc. So, basta viewing ra. So, since you don't have the time already for next meeting, kay diretso naman kita quiz, no? So dapat do not go through with that process, not unless it is already asked in the audit questions, no? Then step 12, display the schedule of accounts payable and accounts payable ledger reports. Step 13, display the schedule of accounts receivable and accounts receivable ledger reports. Step 14, display an inventory list report. Step 15, display. Puro na siya, scroll raw. View. Then step 15, display the inventory transactions for the month of March. 16, display the inventory exception report. And then 16, display the yearly sales report. No, iba yun naman kabudyo kunain dyan hanapon. It's all under reports, no? Diyan sa reports tanan. And then display a trial balance, step 18. Step, okay, display the trial balance because in preparation for the adjusting entries. So step number, and lahi pa siya is a step, no? Okay. So, kibali, we're done with it on step 4 at on for the month activities. And end of month activities, separate the subsidiaries sa kagulingon na step 1 and 2 lang. So, end of month, after the monthly transactions could have been processed, the adjusting entries must be entered into the computer and printed. But of course, we don't do that, no? The financial statements will then be displayed. The adjustments data for the month of March for copier solution are listed below. On insurance. Ano pa pag-adjust sa insurance? Tanawon anay sa trial balance, no? Bisan pwede gani dili na tanawon, no? Because automatic whatever is or the amount given there is end of month activities will be automatically the expense account amount. So the entry for that would be debit to insurance expense and credit to prepaid insurance. Haman tuod kita doon mag-record. At to kita mag-record ang end of month activities diri sa journal, no? Aton dinhi nato si Jai butang. Aton mag-debit gyud kita dininan. Ano pa, debit to insurance expense and then credit to prepaid insurance. The second adjustment is the inventory of supplies. Nakadumdum pa na sa supplies, before kita makahimo ng adjustment, we need to look into the trial balance and then note that how much is the balance of the supplies account at the end of the period, no? And then i-minus nato ang din inventory of supplies na 2,065, no? So whatever is the difference, pila may difference, B? Supplies is 2,475.22 minus 2,065 2,065. So, we have an adjusting entry amount for 410.22. Tisingan sa calculator. Mugana dili sa ako no, sa ato computer dili mugana. Okay, sa per trial balance nako diri no on record, ang IJA balance ng supplies is 2,475.22. Sa trial balance daw na kay basta supplies gani na account na ato i-adjust kinahanglan may boy ko taanin ang play balance sa trial balance. And then sa inventory of supplies sa end of month activities as given is ato i-minus ang 2,065. Then enter or equal. So you have the adjusting entry amount for 410.22. So debit to supplies expense and credit to supplies for 410.22. And then for depreciation, no? Pareho na kung ano yung taghatag na amount, amo ra gyud ang depreciation expense. So debit to depreciation expense, tanaw nato kung ano ija tagamit na account. Sa depreciation expense. Okay. So you have depreciation expense, warehouse equipment, and then depreciation expense, office equipment. for the respective amounts. Ato 648 for warehouse at sa office is 232. And then credit to accumulated depreciation that is sa taas, accumulated depreciation warehouse equipment, and accumulated depreciation office equipment for the respective amounts. Next, so we're now done with step 1, enter the code of the adjusting entries. Step 2, display the adjusting entries. Kamo na to. Okay. Then, step 3, check your work. Then step 4, display the income statement. Step 5, display the statement of owner's equity. 6, display the balance sheet. Step 7, display the budget report. Step 8, generate an actual versus budget graph. Step 9, use the save menu item to save your data file. And step 10, calculate the annual retirement income using the retirement planner. And then step 11, that's already optional. It's up to you. But of course, we don't do it because we don't have time and we are not allowed to use or to print whatever outputs that we have, no? Basta balik-balik naman siya. So always review your photocopies in preparation for your hands-on quiz next meeting on chapter 5. If you have questions, no, you can ask me through aton sa ato chat sa ato sa ato Flare, nato sa ato subject na Flare. Okay, I think that's all for today. Now, do not forget that next meeting, what you're going to bring would be 5-A and 5-B ra. No? Do not bring anymore aton mga discussion for chapter 5. Para diretso na kamo. Daw na sab, arang kahamok pandayhon, paabot dito, pabutang na sab, kahasol kaha. So just please come to class ready and prepared. Kaya nagbalik-balik naman ka dyan si Jawa. Again, as I've said, what's new with this chapter is only the entering of the budget. No? And aton, the accrual or aton accrued salaries is also new. But of course, sa Junra for the adjusting entries for salaries, it's debit to salaries expense and credit to salaries payable. Okay? I think that's it. Basta kaanday yung next meeting would be 5-A and 5-B problems. No? Problems 5-A and problem 5-B because I'll be telling you what to solve next meeting. So again, you can chat me. You can actually comment no dito whatever your questions are in the Flare. Thank you, class.